Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
As far as functioning of the Mamlas is concerned, I want them to function non-partisan manner. Because I have got certain complaints that in fact lawyers are only basically drafting the orders and giving them Mamlas. So these things should not happen. This is just the allegations which I have got to the notice, and this is what I have even mentioned to them yesterday. I am here. Actually, I told them that we will fit a CCTV camera in all the Mamladar's offices, in all the collectorate offices, so that can function. That will be directly connected to my office. I will speak to the IT minister, and I will have this thing done at the earliest, so that I can monitor here what the functioning, how the basically Mamladas are. But I think within 6 months' time, this thing should be in place. That is, I can tell you of here, and it will be connected to the secretary as well, whoever is the secretary of our department. So for them to know the functioning. So from here itself, I will be able to see the functioning of the Mamladas.
आता बाबूशान अलवाराचे जमनीनी लक्ष घाला. अलवाराच्या इश्यूचेर लोकांचे इश्यू येता ते पळोवन खंय तो मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन ह्या इश्यूचेर उलोवपाचो आसा.
Some people unknowingly, what was the procedure to be followed, have not accepted. Their names are still figuring in Form 1 and 14, I guess, as the occupants. Now we must basically take a call on that. I think we should not use 2 yardsticks to others. I think we need to basically consider their demand as well. So for that we will need to get some amendment to this. I will discuss this matter with the Honorable Chief Minister and then proceed.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश घाडी.